Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will see the application architecture. So as the name suggests that it's a application related, right? Individually, you are having some applications and that have certain meaning or it has these applications are created as per the business requirement, right? So let's understand this one. The purpose is that provide the blueprint for the individual application to be deployed, their interactions and relationship to core business processes. So the focus areas are application portfolio and lifecycle, application integration and interfaces like API services, functional roles of the application, how applications support business capabilities, and interoperability and reuse. So um, let's understand with one example. Now, as we are talking about the business banking application, right? So consider you are having a customer relationship management application, CRM. You are having one ERP application, right? So why we are creating that? So that we can support the the customer data or customer related queries, customer related reports using these applications. Okay, so every application will have its own purpose, right? So application portfolio and its life cycle, application integrations and interfaces. So consider there are some services these days, microservices, APIs, right? So which is the application programming interface, right? So how it is integrated, for example, you want to invoke this API using CRM application or ERP applications. So that is another focus area of this particular application architecture. Functional roles for the application. So customer relationship manager is basically for the customer, ERP for maybe payroll system and other attendance, etc. How applications support business capability. So this is for maintaining the customer related data. So what business goal is satisfied by this application, how it is related to that. Interoperability and reuse. So if you create certain components which can be reused in the other applications, so that is the reuse. Interoperability means, for example, I'm using a previous version of my application and I'm having new version, how interoperability works, how we can call or invoke something, one application into the another application. So that is the interoperability and reuse. Okay, so application architecture ensures that systems are aligned with the business needs, modular and integrated for agility and efficiency. So this is all about the application architecture. In next lecture, we will see the technology architecture.